But of course we need more power. Today, unboxing of the best laptop for video creators, YouTubers, influencers for the year 2021, 22, 23 and beyond. Alright, Legion 5 Pro. Let's go. This is how the packaging looks. I ordered this laptop from Slovak website alza.sk, as you can see on the outside packaging. Every time I get something new, I do take extra care not to damage original box. This way I can store it and possibly use it for resale in the future. In the beginning of this unboxing, I want to mention that this is not a paid unboxing and that I do own this laptop myself. My laptop is the Pro version of the Legion 5 version of 2021. It has Ryzen 7 5800H processor and 6GB of RTX 3060. I decided to go for a 3060 version because of various reasons. First was that I am a video creator. For this reason, I don't need that extra power of RTX 3070 or 3080. The RTX 3060 can handle 4K video editing even with heavy loaded effects and LUTs, as I will show you in upcoming detailed review of this machine. The second reason I went for 3060 instead of other graphic cards was that this model came with 32GB of RAM. And third reason, it was really a bargain. Thing is that the Pro version has this incredible 2K display with 100% srgb and 70% of Adobe RGB coverage. This is what makes this model of Legion 5 unbeatable, especially when you realize that it has brightness of more than 500 nits. My laptop did cost 1,399 euros. Comparing it with model with only 16GB of RAM and RTX 3070 that did cost from 1,800 euros, my choice was reasonable. In the description of this video you will find my affiliate links where you can find the best prices for this laptop in various configurations for your specific region. 32GB of RAM are allowing me to comfortably concentrate on creative work and still play AAA game titles on QHD resolution. But we will talk about the performance in upcoming review. You need to hit the like button of this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. This way you will be notified when this review will come out. Let's open the box and see what's inside. First, look at that infamous power brick. It's enormous. Even though many reviewers, especially here on YouTube, have complained about it, I believe that Lenovo had good reason to give this laptop such big power delivery system. Maybe it had best results in long-term testing, who knows. If you have idea or even specific information why this power brick is so large and powerful, write me about it in the comment section below this video. I am eager to know what's behind. Along with power brick, there comes an attachable power cable as usually with Legion's own proprietary connector. In this black box you will find also few stickers of Legion's lineup. On the bottom of the laptop box are also two small brochures with basic info about the notebook. Usually people are throwing them away, but as I found out from my previous mistakes, you should never throw it away because you never know when you will need to find some small detail. And finally, there it is, the Legion 5 Pro. The Legion 5 Pro is protected with these two foam pads in the shape of X. Let's put them away and slide off the polypropylene cover. It's an unusually satisfying moment for everybody, I guess. Do you like it too? I love to unbox new things. That strange manufacturing smell and first touch of the brand new product is amazing, especially It applies when the product is of high quality, just like this Legion 5 Pro. Tell me in the comments below. Do you love it too? This video was edited on this laptop and I can tell you right now that it is an impressive machine. In this moment I can't wait to get hands on it, but first I need to install Windows 10, as this model wasn't delivered with operating system on it. That's however a small trade for that price. I will make a video on how to install and activate the Windows 10 for those who are not familiar with these steps. As you see, the Legion 5 Pro is gorgeous. The trackpad is huge. The feel on the keyboard is excellent. Overall, it feels sturdy and really high quality. If you want to watch my full-on video creators oriented detailed review, hit the like button of this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. This way you will be notified when this review will come out. In the description of this video you will find also a link to my Patreon page. This is the first video where I am starting with Patreon, so if you like this video, become my patron please. Every contribution from you will be highly appreciated. Alright, that's it. That was the unboxing of the Legion 5 Pro 2021. My name is mariobeky. Thanks for watching and we will see us in another video. Have a nice day. Ciao.